Good afternoon. Metaverse become buzzword in last 12 months. Everybody heard of it. And everybody also heard of digital twin. Now we're talking about Enterprise Metaverse. What's this about? We are talking about real business. We are talking about how we make Metaverse real. So this is what I'm going to share with you this afternoon. First of all, there are actually two types of content in Metaverse. One is we call digital native. This is where you heard originally Metaverse came from game industry. Matter, cartoon, arts, others. But there is a much more demanding on the other side, which is the digital twin, which is a reflection, replication of physical world. And this is about business, about enterprise. Think about it. On the globe, we have almost 14,000 construction areas, not building areas, every day. We have more than 10 million factories around the world. They generate so many data. So the first challenge for enterprise is those data. You have a city, how to turn this into the digital twin. You have a building like this, beam data. You have a TV, you have a machine, it's CAD data. But not about this. We also have systems, the BMM systems, MES systems, ERP systems. They are all in the factory or in the city, but they are isolated. This is another pain point to build the metaverse for enterprise. So how we can actually combine the digital native and digital twin of physical world together, and this is the challenge we are trying to solve, okay? So what we're trying to do here is actually to look at what are the business needs. We have a design where we need the collaboration. We have a production where we want to actually build the production line even before product is a finished design stage. And try this virtually at zero cost. Marketing, what we want to do through Enterprise Metaverse is a solution we can interact with your customer in a 3D environment. Because you know why? We live in real world, 3D world. 90% of our sense, our knowledge actually receives through eyes. And we spend 90%, if not 100%, on 2D device today. Operation, the maintenance, factory, city, they all need efficiency. They all need remote access. The COVID gave us headache, but also create another very high demand in how we have the expert to help you remotely. So all those are the business needs we're trying to build through Enterprise Metaverse. And how we do this? This is our answer. Twinverse platform. Okay. This is the platform we built. Number one, it's integrate. It actually replicates the real world. We take a different type of data, more than 30 types of data from BIM, GIS, CAD, but also, as I mentioned, IoT, MES, ERP, all the system data. So the first step is to build this replication of the real world. It's not just 3D models. It's real time, it's dynamic. But this is just step one that the Twinverse platform achieves. More important, we turn this into what we call twin objects. Twin object is a 3D model plus the time information, spatial information. You can also add on NFT or other characters that you want to know about the building, city, products, whatever you need. That digital twin object will be used to create the content, which means user case. So that's the way we build the Enterprise Metaverse. So from data to content, which is a user case. And the last step is about experience. How do you experience the data? You want to experience in the command center, or you want to experience the data through mobile, or 3D goggles, or pad, PC, the different devices. You know what? A lot of challenges is that people say I can build the AR for you, application for you. I can use this for different applications. But again, you have to build multiple times. So this platform, Twinverse, enable you to go across the platform. Just one time you build the content, you have the experience across the platform. So Twinverse is the platform, is our answer for you as a gateway into Enterprise Metaverse. And it's a multi-source data fusion, full stack solution from engine to platform to experience, deploy on the cloud or on your local, and also cross-platform. And what do we use? We focus on 3 sectors today. Number 1 is energy or carbon. We already built a lot of use case in smart buildings, right? The first carbon zero building in South Asia is in NUS, and where we integrate BMS system, parking system, CCTV, plus different type of robots to enable them to achieve this goal. The second sector, as I mentioned, is actually mobility. This is about city transportation or infrastructure like a port. In one of the global port, top 10 global port, seaport in this region, actually we help them to build the digital twin even to the detailed level of each individual component. And also integrates with terminal operating system, TOP systems. And this is the areas we focus on. The third area is relatively new, but we get a lot of interesting use case already, where you say, actually it's a retail. This new generation of smart digital retail. It's not just about build a virtual room, people can show or visit them. It's about how you build a metaverse solution for them, where they can get customer interaction, interactive experience, where you can actually combine the synergies or even increase the synergy between offline and online. But at the same time, we also built the use case for our luxury brand shops, where they can use Enterprise Metaverse to improve their efficiency, to understand the customer behaviors in the shop through spatial information. So this is the use case we already building across this Asia. So we are very, very blessed with our with the opportunities. There are a lot of challenges, but also opportunities. And we are also awarded by IDC as the best Smart City Awards this year. And also just 4 months ago, in the WEF, the World Economy Forum, we are actually awarded as the top 100 pioneer technology firm in the world. And this is just the start of our journey. And to do this, we need a lot of partners, from government to the infrastructure of the metaverse, like cloud company, telecom. We also work very closely with system integrator consultants. We are a technology company. We are not production company. We're not service company. We're a technology company to enable system integrators or clients to create your metaverse. You own that data, you own that content, and you can manage the content on your own. That's what we want to achieve. We also have, work with hardware companies, robots, IoT, manufacturing, etc. So, last but not least, who will make it happen? It's us, the team. Okay, we have very dynamic global team. We have a team come from NVIDIA, US Silicon Valley. co-founder. Myself has been working with the industries for IoT, for smart manufacturing. I used to work for Schneider Electric for energy management as well. And also we have people from IoT background, from producers, from production, from medium. This is the team where we commit to take advantage of the gaming industry technologies, but apply to enterprise and enable us have a better future. Thank you very much.